Welcome everyone to Quinn Style Tips, and today's episode is wardrobe malfunction. And when you're wondering why do you say wardrobe malfunction, well, when your wardrobe is not functional and you're having a problem picking out clothes, outfits to wear, and you're all over the place, that's unfunctional. So let's get you functional. We're a functional wardrobe. So a lot of people look at my wardrobe. Oh, Quinn, your wardrobe is everywhere. You have all this stuff, this kind of stuff everywhere. But I have my cool jackets over here, of course, pants, tops, and a mixture of the long sleeve, short sleeve, and my non-as fancy jackets. And the biggest thing for my wardrobe is that everything is interchangeable. The lesson behind today's video is interchangeability and cohesion. If you're not buying items that interchangeable with your wardrobe, you're wasting your money. Right? Let's get into a quick example of interchangeability. So, look at this shirt, amazing shirt, right? But people are like, oh, I don't know how to wear that, so many colors. The item will tell you what colors it works with, right? So check me out. We got red, white, green, black, blue. So easy rip. We do it on a black pant. Super simple, right? Oh, I gotta fix this blue right here. I got a blue pant right here, and a white pant. Boom, just like that, done. Easy peasy, don't stress, right? So, but the biggest thing I noticed with a couple of people or a few people I've worked with is just that, they may not have those items in their closet that they work with their clothes. So let's do something not as crazy, right? So let's say you want to wear, I got something really quick right here. Ooh, you want to wear like it's just a little crazy on something, right? A little white, black kind of top. Easy. You have to do a white pant. White or black pant, easy. Well, Quinn, that's an easy example. But sometimes some people need an easy example like that just to break it down and be able to see, well, maybe I do have something that I could wear that could go with that, right? So the biggest lesson behind having a unified wardrobe is you need to have cohesion. As you see, I have a lot of colors here. I love to wear color. Color is my thing. So all my items all work together because I have corresponding colors to wear them with. If my pants aren't a certain color that can work with some of these tops, you can't wear it. It's not functional. But since all my tops work with all my current pants and my jackets, that's when our wardrobe is functional. If you have any more questions about how to make your wardrobe functional and not functional, DM me at QuinnKB. Send me a DM. Let's get to work.